Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos to Instagram story, right? So let's go into the Instagram here. And after that, you have to just create a story. You can create a story from this plus icon on the top, which you can see here. Otherwise, just click on it here, right? And here you have to just go to your gallery or the photo section where you can just select the photos. So I will just scroll a little bit down, and if I want to select multiple photos, I will just click like this and just click and hold, and after that you will get this option, that the blue icon which is on the top right side corner of the photo, and you can select according to the sequence and then just click on the next, and you can just do a separately like this, or you can just do a layout. So it depends upon you. So for example, if I want to do layout, right? So basically this is a layout. You can change the layout in this way, right? So just click there and it will change according to right, and after that you can just click on done. If you want to add music, you can add music from here, right? This is a music, and this is super easy guys, and just click on your story. So this is it, right? And if you found this video really is interesting, don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.